Hello, I'm back. I love my hair. I didn't actually start an intro. I don't know. Hey guys, Gwen, welcome back to Gwen's Lifestyle. So as you can see, I've already dyed my hair, and I forgot to start an intro because I didn't know whether I should start a vlog or not, and so I did, and I was being very quiet. And this is the final result. Yes, I am in love with it, even though I couldn't really talk in the salon. And I actually not really brought you guys, just show you guys how it was done, and I am very satisfied, very happy, and I like it very much. I can't really show you guys, but I'm hot, not in shower, so I'll talk to you guys soon. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, please give me a huge thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Gwen's Lifestyle for more of these kinds of vlogs, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.